Alright guys, back for another video. Guess what we're doing today, man? Roasting chilies. Gonna make a fine roasted hatch green chili burger today, baby. Went to my local Sprouts Farmers Market. They had a batch. They said come and get them while they hot. I came and got them. So today, baby, we're roasting chilies. Yeah, boy! Get ready! Alright, it's time. They're going on, babe. They are going on. I'll probably put about... I'm doing all this whole bag, but I'm going to start off right here. And we're going to char them up, man. So y'all stay tuned. It's about to be some charred chilies right here on the Roll and Grill Barbecue Show. Yeah, baby. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention is you definitely want to poke holes in them with a fork before you put them on the roaster. That's only because you don't want them to pop and explode from being over this high heat. So definitely poke some holes in them before you put them up here. Man, if you could smell it out here, man, it smells absolutely amazing. I had to reload with some more charcoal. You definitely want to... I probably would have used lump charcoal the next time I do it, but you definitely want a hot fire. Because you're really trying to char these up. You're trying to char them up quick and fast. Some nice char right there. So we're going to let these keep rolling, and we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, these peppers look pretty good right here. I don't have a Ziploc bag, but I do have a Walmart plastic bag. So I'm going to go ahead and take these chilies off. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and take them off, put them in this plastic bag. Let them sweat it on out. And then we'll get back to putting some more on here. Y'all stay tuned. That's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking for. Yeah, boy. Alright, y'all. I got my peppers in a Walmart bag. I'm gonna let them sit here for probably about 10-15 minutes and sweat on out. And then we'll sweat them, we'll peel them, and we'll chop them. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, our peppers have sweated. Let's take them out this plastic bag. And let me give you an example of what we need to do to clean them. Simple. That's our pepper. That's our pepper. Me, I'm gonna roll it around in my hands. Dip it in some water, roll it around in my hands, and as you can see, skin comes off much better. We're just trying to get this thin skin off of here. That's it. Once you get that thin skin off, we're gonna chop them up and get them ready for the burger. Let me go ahead and knock all these off. Y'all stay tuned. All right, it's time to cut some chilies. Time to cut some chilies. And we just gonna rough chop them, man. No particular way, just rough chop. All right, guys, let's get to it. This is a double burger. This is a double meat burger. So we've got about 8 ounces each. 2 patties right here. We got a few strips of bacon right here. That's also going on this thing, man. And all I'm gonna do is pat them out, man. Pat them out. No particular way. Real quick and easy. Take the glove off. I'm going on my grilling dust, baby. It's the only way to roll. Heavy coat of grilling dust. Fiesta Ranch. Thank me later. Again, this is a green chili burger. Gotta have a little fiesta in there. And of course, some black pepper. I'm gonna hit a little bit on top while I mix this in there. And then I'll hit it again on top. And we're just gonna mix it up, baby. Black pepper on. On the grill they go. Yeah, boy. Alright, this is where things is about to go real fast. We got our burgers over here resting out. Thick cut white bread. Texas toast would work. No hamburger buns here, baby. We're gonna toast up some thick cut white bread for these beautiful burgers, right? Alright. Almost got it. It almost burnt on me, man, but I caught it. Yeah, boy. Alright, so while we're waiting on that, we're gonna take some of our green chilies. And we're going right on top of that burger, man. And we're going right on top of that burger. Press them down a little bit. Ooh, wee, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. And our bread is going. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, I'm going with 2 cheeses. I got a Colby Jack right here, and I got an American. I like American cheese. You may not like it on your burger, but I love it on mine. And then I'm going to take some of this Colby Jack, and I'm going to actually press it down to kind of form like a little ball. Sorry for the mess, y'all. But this is real cooking. We really cooking here. We're going to put it right on top. Let those melt down a little bit. And we'll be back to building the sandwich. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Let's put this burger together. We got our 2 thick cut white breads. Down here in the South, you gotta have some Duke's mayonnaise. And I like a lot of mayo. Both buns. And then we're gonna take our first one, green chili burger with the Colby Jack cheese. And then we're going to take our green chili burger with the American cheese. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Top. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I want to make sure I get it all. Look at that. You got your thick cut white bread. Tilt them down a little bit on me. Let's push it right back up there. Yes, sir. We about to cut it and eat it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys. There she is in the back. I know you see her. Now it's time to taste it, man. Look at there. Green chili, double patty, cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, American cheese, and Hatch green chilies, baby, with a little bit of bacon. Let's give it a taste. Man, it's the big ass sandwich, man. Man, that's a good ass burger, man. I mean, a good burger, man. My God. If you never try Hatch green chilies, definitely give them a try. Don't get them confused with Anaheim green chilies. Kind of the same pepper, but different taste, man. So as always, y'all, good food, good vibes. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!